Hello friends, my name is Manoj Kumar from Corp IT. In this today video, we'll see what are the errors that you are getting while installing vCenter from your macOS. So we'll see. Let me just open up my file browser. So this is the VCSA for 8.0.2. I already extracted that. So if you go to vCSA UI installer and you expand the Mac one, and if you click on Installer.app, it will show you something like that. So basically what you need to do, you need to first open up the terminal. Let me just increase the font size of it so it will be easy. So once this is done, so regarding that I already wrote an article, so I will also attach this to the description so it will be easy for you. So first we need to disable this. So this will basically turn off the security in your Mac, but please make sure once the installation is done, just enable it again. So first of all, we'll run this command. It asks me for the password, we'll give it to the password, and it just disabling the assessment system need to be confirmed in the system setting. Now what we need to do, we need to go to the CD downloads, and now if we do ls-la, there are, this is the our folder. So what we need to do in this folder basically, we need to pass this uh, in the exception list so that the no error will be shown. So we'll run this command, and once this command is done, we'll done. So this is the path, and here we go. So once this is done, we'll again go to our folder. We'll right click and open Installer.app, and let's see what happened. So as you can see in the taskbar, which is popping up, it will take some time to open. Yeah. So once the installer will install, it will throw you some error like that, ISO path not found. So what you have to do, you need not to panic on this one. Just click on the browse, go to the your directory where it is, select the folder, and once it's done, here you go. From there, you can just click on the install and proceed with the upgrade. So this is just a quick and short video about how to install a vCenter from the Mac. So I believe you like this video. If you have any other doubt or something, please let me know in the description. For for the folks who love the documentation side, I will also attach my website in the description for the ease. If you have any doubt or something, let me know in the comment section. You can also reach out to me over the Twitter. I will be more than happy to assist you with the same. So yeah, this all about the video. Hope you like this video. Till the next one, peace.